The outdoors is your haven. Turn it into your home with the collapsible camping table from Alpcor. The collapsible camping table has a lightweight design that takes nothing away from its strength, easily holding up to 50 pounds of camping gear and equipment. The unique hinge system means you don't need any tools to set up the table. It simply unfolds and locks in no time. And once it's set up, it's low enough for you to just sit on the ground or in a camp chair. When you're set to get moving again, just fold the table up and store it in the compact over-the-shoulder carry bag. This, along with the stylish waterproof aluminum hardtop and all-terrain feet, makes the Alpcor camping table indispensable for an outdoor dweller. And it comes in 3 different convenient sizes. In between adventuring, rest and relax the right way. The Alpcor collapsible camping table. Flat out convenience.
Hi, I'm Megan with the Coleman Company here with our 4-in-1 table that's as versatile as the uses you can get from it outside. It's easy to set up. Just fold up the legs, pop out the extension, and screw it in. As you can see, there are 3 different levels you can get from this, so however high you need it, you're going to get it. Turn it over, right next to its twin right here, and you're ready to put it into any configuration you need. A square table, a buffet table, a bi-level table, even side tables for next to your chair when you're just lounging at the campsite. And when you're done, these 2 tables actually fold up into a compact, lightweight storage system just like this, and you're ready to go. We'll see you later. Bye.